Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and absolutely delicious baked snack recipe, vegetable puff. I said easy because here there's no hassles of making the dough, rolling them and layering them as I'm going to use the store-bought puff pastry sheets. All you have to do is just make the filling, stuff them into the pastry sheets, bake them and enjoy. This recipe is super easy to put up for an after school snack, evening munching, or if you're planning to have guests at home. And trust me, these sheets are such great time savers, and these flaky, buttery puffs will be your best buddies to rock if you happen to throw a snack party at home. Now, come, let's get started. For making the stuffing for the puffs, take 1/8 cup plus 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil get heated. Once it gets heated, reduce the flame and add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook them till they lose their raw smell. And the garlic also should turn light brown in color. Cook till that over a slow flame. Don't keep over a high flame. Now add 1 chopped green chili to it. If you want it more spicy, you can add 1 more also. And add 1 chopped onion, medium sized onion I had taken, and saute the onion till they become golden brown in color. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder and cook them. See that they don't turn black, so do it over a slow flame so the masala shouldn't get burnt. Now add boiled and mashed potatoes, 300 grams I have taken, and mix thoroughly over a slow flame. Never add water at all. To this add 100 grams of boiled green peas and 100 grams of boiled and diced carrots and mix them gently so that the carrots and the peas they don't get mashed up. And to this add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder and the required quantity of salt. I have taken 1 teaspoon of salt. I've added. Mix gently, do it very gently, and add some chopped coriander leaves for that extra flavor. Now cover it and cook for 2 minutes over a medium flame. Now it's done. The stuffing is ready. Cool it in room temperature and keep it aside. The stuffing has attained room temperature now and ready to be filled in the sheets. These are ready-made puff pastry sheets. I really love these sheets for its quality and taste, and it saves a lot of time for me. So I always use these puff sheet. This is the brand I'm using. They come here, they come as individual sheets. You can make any filling of your choice. It's not only veg puff that you have to make. If you have sweet tooth, you can stuff them with mixed fruit jam and grated coconuts with some tutti fruities and enjoy a sweet puffs also. You can make anything with this. And now you can place the potato filling at the center of the sheet and seal the edges by basting water with your fingertips so that they don't get dried up. Now fold it this way and gently press the ends, to seal the dough. Do it very gently. See that the stuffings don't come out. Use a fork to give it a nice impression, and it will, and for sealing the dough perfectly, and it will also look good. The design will be good if you do this. Now take a baking dish and brush it with oil or melted butter. I've used oil in this. Place a butter paper and brush some oil over it. This is to keep the butter paper intact. Brush it well and arrange the wet stuff sheets over the butter paper. Do it gently. Now brush the top surface with milk, which is at room temperature. This will save the surface of the puff from drying and cracking, and also it will give that glossy appearance after baking. Now preheat the oven in convection mode at 200 degrees centigrade. My oven has automatic preheating option, which means I don't have to set the time for preheating. I just have to set the temperature alone. Since I'm going to bake the puffs at 200 degrees centigrade, the preheating temperature also should be 200 degrees centigrade. Now once the preheating is done, it beeps. My oven takes about 4 to 5 minutes for preheating. Now place the low rack into the oven and keep the baking tray over it and bake the puffs for 20 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. But the baking time may differ with different brands or models of the oven, so I suggest after 15 minutes you can check the top surface. If it has reached that golden brown color, that you can check, but don't open the oven. You can check through the transparent glass of the oven without opening it. Baking time could be plus or minus 20 minutes. You can make various dishes with these puff pastry sheets. They can be rolled thin and can be stuffed with powdered pistachios, and you can make the famous Turkish baklavas also. Now they are done. We can remove them from the oven. They've been perfectly baked to golden brown color and have puffed up so beautifully with crispy and flaky layers. You can just see. Please try this recipe at home and let me know how it came out for you. And if you like this video, please hit a like and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really can't resist the flavor of this piping hot veggie stuffed puff. Let me munch it before it gets cold. Wow, it's just out of the world. Just craving for more and more and more. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.